Hey, what's up, BullMarketBully fam? Today we're breaking down Symbotic Inc. Sim, a game changer in warehouse automation. Ready to dive into this high-growth stock? You're in the right place. Like, comment, and subscribe for more no-bull stock reviews. Stick around for a bonus tip about Symbotic. Let's get it. Company summary. Symbotic Inc. is an innovative player in warehouse automation, specializing in robotics and AI-driven systems. They streamline inventory management, reduce labor costs, and boost supply chain efficiency for major retailers like Walmart. Their technology is vital for retail, e-commerce, and grocery, supporting today's just-in-time delivery economy. As demand for smarter logistics grows, Symbotic's role in future supply chain management is undeniable. Financial overview: revenue, profit margins, and growth rates. Let's talk numbers. Symbotic's revenue has grown 57.7% year-over-year. This indicates strong demand for their products. However, profitability remains a challenge. Operating margin is negative 5.08%, and net income is negative $80.94 million. They have $970.47 million in cash and $130.67 million in debt. Compared to peers, Symbotic's focus on AI and partnerships sets them apart, but they need to improve profitability. Analysis of market trends and competitive landscape. Symbotic operates in a booming industry. The warehouse automation market is expected to grow at 14% annually through 2030. What makes Symbotic stand out? Their deep integration with Walmart, a major client and investor. This partnership gives them scale and market credibility. Competitors like Gray Orange and Six River Systems are strong, but Symbotic's AI-driven, cost-efficient solutions give them an edge. Future prospects, growth opportunities, and challenges. Symbotic's future looks bright. They're expanding their partnership with Walmart, acquiring their advanced systems and robotics business. They're also co-developing an AI-enabled robotics platform for last-mile delivery, but challenges remain. Accounting errors have raised concerns about financial oversight, and high short-interest signals investor skepticism. Still, if they fix internal issues, the sky's the limit. Investment strategies. Is Symbotic a buy right now? Trading at $31.82, it's below its 52-week high of $52.20, but above its low of $17.11. Priced for growth with a forward PE of 99, it's a strong play for long-term investors. Consider buying in smaller increments or waiting for pullbacks to build your position. Top investors in Symbotic. Big players believe in Symbotic's potential. Walmart holds a significant stake, showcasing its commitment. Institutional investors include Vanguard and BlackRock. These top-tier investors add credibility to the stock's growth story. Final grade. Symbotic gets a solid B+. Exciting growth, but profitability and operational challenges remain. One to watch for long-term investors. Here's the bonus tip. Symbotic hinted at expanding into international markets. This could open up massive revenue streams. It's not fully priced into the stock yet, so keep an eye on announcements. That's it for today's No Bull Breakdown. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to BullMarketBully for more stock reviews. Until next time, keep grinding and stay bullish.